Good evening. Right now it's about 6:44 p.m. and I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a SEBI-registered research analyst. I'm partner to Zerodha Upstocks Wires and Asta Trade. Also, I'm the chief mentor at StockPro. So, how are you guys doing? I have been really putting a lot of efforts and a lot of energies for you guys to make good money. And I'm hoping that you are present on my Twitter account, right? Look at the traits that we have given. I've given, I said accumulation completed buy above 2670. This is Naveen Fluorine. Just have a look at Naveen Fluorine today itself. It gave about 127 points and made a high of 2727 2821, right? That's the high it made, right? So that's one trait, right? Then you have Bayers Corporation, right? I have given a Bayers Corporation by, if I just know here, 5356, right? And look at the high that it has made today. It has made a high of 5774, right? Look at any stock, pick up any stock, and you will find the great momentum in all of them. And some of them which have not given will give you momentum in few days. So buy above 665. This is Just Style. Have a look at Just Style. You know how it has been just blasting up for the last few days. So here is 665. Buy above 665. This is where I have given. It made a high of 765. 100 points move in this particular stock. Right, JB Pharma. I have given a buy in JB Pharma at this place, 1050. It made a high of 1066. So look at Tata Elixir. I haven't given, but I have given it on the free channel. I'm hoping that you're present on my free channel as well, right? This is my free channel with about 282,852 subscribers. And what I want to show you, today's video is going to be a little special video. And I'm going to give you 2 stocks or maybe 3 stocks for tomorrow or the day after. If the market remains positive, you can definitely initiate buy in them. So I'm going to handle a very important question. Is it easy to make 4,000-5,000 rupees per day in stock market, right? That's the question I'll be answering today. So for that, I'm going to refer to my, the Telegram channel only. Today, I have given one single trade, right? If you understand where to trade, I've just given one single stock, right? That was RVNL, right? Not one single, I've given few more. But what I'm trying to tell you from here, that making money is not difficult, right? So I had given, I had given one stock, RVNL, right? So this is 1400 quantity and profit was 2100, right? I have written it here that it's not difficult for us to make money. So see here, maybe the screenshot is not available here, but I said that it's making money is not difficult, right? It's rather very easy. So imagine, how much money was needed. If I just show it to you, if I'm buying RVNL 1400 shares, right? Let's say I'm buying 1400 shares, right? How much money is needed? Just 4,337 rupees. And the profit that you saw, how much was the profit? The profit was 2,100 rupees, right? So this is, this is how you can make good money. You don't need big amount of, capital to gain profits. You need more knowledge to make more money, right? So educating yourself is going to be very, very important. I don't know how important you feel it is, or maybe you feel it's good to take call from anywhere, but that choice you have. But I would suggest that learning is the only and permanent solution to your challenge. So see here, he's a webinar member. He made, this is a call that I had given, buy Nifty put, and look at the amount of money he has made, right? Amount of money he has made, 2,58,000, right? That's the conviction this member had, right? So anyway, what I'm saying, let's say I'm giving you 2 stocks for tomorrow. I'm giving rather 3 stocks, not for tomorrow. next few days. So the first stock that I have is on my radar is IRCTC. So we're going to buy IRCTC above 1525 or 1530, right? Now let's say I want to make let's say I want to just make 5,000 rupees, right? That's my target. I just want to calculate how much money will be required. So first and foremost, we should know how much these stocks move on an average, right? So let's say from here 1450 to 1515. So about 50 points it has in this candle. Usually it's making 50 candle, but some of the days the trading could be less. But when it goes above this, there will be a breakout in this particular stock, right? So let's just see, if I buy one stock, how much money is needed? 145 rupees, right? I want to make 5,000, right? I want to make 5,000 rupees. So simply it means 5,000 on an average. This stock moves about 50 points, right, after the breakout. But I'm not even taking that. Let's say we get only 25 points, let's say, right? This gives you about 200 stocks. 200 stocks, how much will 200 stocks cost you, right? The question here is how much money is needed to generate, 5,000 rupees. You need only 28,000 rupees in your account, right? Now I have taken the least values. I have taken only 25, right? How much is the movement? 25 points, 1433. If I just take this candle 1433 to 1462, 32 points hai, right here. So on an average I've just taken 25 points, which is easily possible, but provided the breakout is coming. If you are lucky on a particular day, the breakout could give you about 200 points as well, right? Just 200 points as well, but you got to be lucky. The other stock that I have on my radar is Apollo, APL Apollo, right? So all these, I will be posting on my Twitter handle. You can just be present here and you will be able to, get these stocks. And so what I wanted to tell you, APL Apollo is also on my radar. So if I want to buy APL Apollo, how much money is needed? In this, I just have 50% leverage, right? So on an average, how much does it move? Roughly about, if I take here, so 862 to 898. So about 35 points is what it's giving, right? 35 points in this candle. So I'm just taking average, let's say about 20 points if we get. So 20 points if we get, and we want to make 5,000 rupees, right? So let's see just how much money is required. I need 5,000 rupees divided by 20 points, because on an average, or let's take 25 only, you get 200 shares. Let's see how much money is required. So some of the stocks will need lesser money, some stocks will need more money. So here if I want to buy 200 stocks, how much money is needed? I need 89,000 rupees, right? Some will need more, and I have another share on my radar. Probably this will require lesser money. This is Tata Motor DVR, right? We have to buy it above 81.4 or 81.5. On an average, I can assume that it gives us about 1 or 2 points, right? Let me just have a look. From here, 75.5 to 78.5. So roughly about 2 points it gives. So let's see, if I buy one stock, how much money is needed? 10 rupees. If I need 5,000 rupees, let's say I buy 2,000 shares. Let's see how much money is needed. Just 21,000 rupees, right? Just 21,000 rupees. Even if you can make it 3,000, and you need to capture only 1.5 or 2 points, and you'll be done with 5,000 rupees. So stock selection along with liquidity in the stock will give you good earning ways. What I'm trying to tell you here is, if you know in the market where is the movement coming, which stock will give you breakout, where should you invest intraday, I'm talking about, these are cash stocks. You know, the cash stocks give you certain huge advantages over the future stocks. The reason is, here in cash stocks, you don't have the barrier of the option writers. You don't have future selling. You just have only pure and pure buying, right? So I, uh, just quickly, once again, you be present on my Telegram channel, follow me on my Twitter handle. And also, what I'm also trying to tell you is that if you want to learn, you have these courses, but choice is yours. I'm absolutely leaving it to you, because that choice you have to make, right? Educating yourself in the stock market and earn entire your life, that choice you can make. We can only suggest you. And even if you don't want to do anything, just be present on my channel. I'll do enough research for you, so that you can all make good money, right? Everybody who's present in any of our channel is making huge money. So take care, guys. All the best, and remain connected. Stay tuned and keep following me at various other places. We will be doing our level best to give you the best of research. Bye bye. See you soon. See you on my channel tomorrow in the live market. Bye.